Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're sharing a game-changing tip for thesis writers and doctoral candidates. If you're feeling stuck or need some inspiration for your thesis, this video is for you. Let's dive into how you can use a powerful prompt to supercharge your thesis writing process. The prompt we're discussing today is designed to enhance your thesis writing with the help of ChatGPT. Here's the original idea adapted to make your thesis journey smoother. This prompt helps ChatGPT get a comprehensive understanding of your thesis project by asking in-depth questions. But to make it even more effective, we have a few enhancements. Let's break down these enhancements. First, subject specifics. Share a snapshot of your thesis subject for more precise questions. This helps in narrowing down the scope and making the questions more relevant. Provide a brief overview of your thesis topic to guide the direction of the questions. This ensures that ChatGPT can tailor its responses to your specific needs. Next, encourage depth. Instead of focusing on the number of questions, encourage open-ended ones that delve deep into your research. This leads to more insightful and thorough responses. Ask questions like, how does your research contribute to the existing literature? Or, what challenges do you anticipate in your methodology? These types of questions will help you uncover deeper insights and critical analysis. Third, focus areas. Direct the questions toward key aspects of your thesis, such as your hypothesis, data analysis, and theoretical framework. This ensures that all critical areas are covered. Make sure to cover each part of your thesis comprehensively by targeting these areas. This approach will help you address every important component of your research. Fourth, goal clarity. Define what you aim to achieve with these questions. Are you looking for deeper insights, critical analysis, or something else? Clarify your goals to get the most relevant information. State your objectives clearly to help ChatGPT provide tailored support. This will ensure that the responses you receive are aligned with your specific needs and goals. Using this prompt, you can get ChatGPT to assist with grammar, spelling, punctuation, summarizing, rewriting, and improving the flow and clarity of your thesis content. These features make ChatGPT an invaluable tool for refining your thesis. By leveraging these capabilities, you can enhance the quality and coherence of your writing. So if you know someone tackling their thesis, share this ChatGPT prompt with them. It could be the boost they need to move forward. For more tips on leveraging ChatGPT for your academic work, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching and good luck with your thesis writing.